Hi everyone, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel called Linda Savings. In today's video, we'll be reviewing some of the differences between the Costco Business Center and the Costco Wholesale. There's actually a couple of differences that I think are important to review in this video. And guys, in case you didn't know, you can actually access the Costco Business Center and the Costco Wholesale as well with just your Costco membership. Now, in case you don't have a membership and you're given one of those Costco shop cards, which is the Costco gift card pretty much, you can even use that to get into both Costco's as well. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's do this. And don't forget to take advantage of these offers. With Rakuten, you can get an additional $30 when you sign up and spend $30 or more using the referral link that is in the video description. You can also receive up to 20% cash back every time you shop at your favorite stores. Next, we have the Ibotta app where you can get cash back when doing your grocery shopping. You can also receive $10 when you sign up and upload your first receipt using the referral code that is on the screen. And in case you want to maximize your rewards, you can use a second app like Fetch Rewards to upload the same receipt you just used from the Ibotta app. Fetch is actually super easy to use as it will give you points just for uploading any type of receipt. You'll even get 2,000 points just for signing up with this referral code. So one of the first major differences between both of these stores is that one of the stores actually opens earlier. So if you're an early bird person, you may want to check out the Costco Business Center. So here we have the Costco wholesale hours pretty much. You can see they start a little later actually. So for example, Monday through Friday for members only, these stores open up at 10 a.m. Obviously it may depend on your location. Some of them I've seen even open up at 9:30, which is the case for this store. You can see at 9:30 it opens up on Saturdays, and then Sunday you get opening hours starting at 10 a.m. Now, if we look at the schedule when it comes to the Costco Business Center, you can see that Monday through Friday, they open up at 7 a.m., which I think is ideal, especially if you're running your own business. You know, if you're trying to buy some supplies, something for your business specifically that you're looking for, 7 a.m. I think is a great time to go shopping pretty much, especially since you're trying to rush over to your personal business, right? Even on Saturdays, they also open up at 7 a.m. And one important thing here to note is that on Sundays, they are closed. And of course, both Costco Business Center and Costco Wholesale also are closed on the following holidays, which pretty much includes New Year's Day, Easter, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas, of course. And here's another major difference between both of these Costcos. So for the Costco Wholesale, you have what is called the member only savings. That's where you get $3.30 off like things like granola, or $30 off certain electronics, or even things like your shoes. Costco Business Center, on the other hand, has something called a savings event. So as you can see, both of these stores actually have an opportunity for their members to get great discounts on great products. So for example, let's look into this one for Costco Wholesale. As you can see, you have health and beauty section right here. You get discounts on razors. Now, when it comes to the Costco Business Center, their book does tend to be a little thicker, I would say, in my opinion, but I do see that their images are a little bigger as well. And I do find it to be a little bit more organized. I don't know. I think that's just my personal opinion. But as you can see, they have tons of discounts on their savings events on things like even candy or anything else that you may need. And talking about candy, you guys, if you're currently looking for more products to sell, whether it is in your business or whether it is to take to your kids' fundraiser, you want to check out Costco Business Center, because look at this. They have everything from Tootsie Pops. There's a bunch of products here that you'll never find at your regular Costco or your Costco Wholesale, I should say. They even have great items like granola bars. I've also seen things like Starburst. They have a bunch of different candies as well, like I said, that are actually, some of them are new products. Some of them even come in little bags that are mixed candies, which would make it great for things like Halloween or, you know, family events and things like that. So that's the situation going on with the Costco Business Center. Now, on the other hand, of course, we want to check out the aisle when it comes to the Costco Wholesale. And as you can see, it's much smaller. There is variation, I will say, but it's always kind of mixed between teas, and on the other side, you have things like candies, for example. Let's take a look right here at this Costco Wholesale. I'm walking down the aisle, and as you can see, one part is pretty much supplements right here. And then the other part right here is pretty much where it starts. We're seeing Pocky, Nutella, we're seeing the Panda snacks, a bunch of little snacks here and there, but I can definitely already tell the difference of how much amount, or how much more variety I should say, when it comes to candy and snacks the Costco Business Center has. So one place I would definitely go to if I'm looking for a big pack of candy or a big pack of nuts, I want something different that I can't find at my Costco Wholesale, I would say the Costco Business Center is the place to go. Now let's talk about the beverages that you can find at both of these stores, you guys. So basically the Costco Business Center, I would say, has more variety of drinks. Costco Wholesale has about 2 to 3 aisles of drinks, and that's talking about, you know, juices, waters, anything from sparkling drinks, things of that sort. Now the Costco Business Center, I will say, has around 6 aisles of drinks, guys. They have tons of different varieties, ranging, like, once again, from sparkling water, juice, soda, energy drinks, apple cider, and drinks you won't even be able to find at your local Costco or the Costco Wholesale. For example, LaCroix as well is being sold at both of these stores. However, I did notice that LaCroix, which is sparkling water or sparkling, what is it, sparkling soda? No, I think it's sparkling water, right? So LaCroix actually is being sold at both of these stores, but at Costco Wholesale, they sell you the variety pack, where in contrast to that, the Costco Business Center is selling you by flavor. So you're actually having access to one single flavor if that's what you wish to have. And they also have the variety pack. So if there's a specific flavor that you're looking for when it comes to LaCroix sparkling water, then you may want to check out the Costco Business Center. And I know when we think of the name Costco Business, that pretty much lets us know that this Costco is more business oriented. And that's exactly what it is, you guys. So here at this store, you will find your disposable containers. You can find utensils for large quantities, cups that will hold hot beverages or hot soups, lids for those containers, and pretty much just about anything that you will need for your restaurant or food business. Now, on the flip side of that, we have the Costco Wholesale. I always say the Costco Wholesale is actually more family oriented, because you can find similar products like this one, like these really nice sneakers. Over here we have some from the Fila brand. These are actually new here at Costco, and I think they're really, really nice. Perfect for like hiking. You have these shorts that are pretty much for slaving. And then over here, for example, you have these toddler books that I think they're perfect for like teaching them their alphabet, their colors and shapes, tracing, etc. So there's pretty much just about a little bit of for everyone, pretty much, whether you're an adult, whether you're a child, whether you're a toddler, whether it is you want to do like a family activity. You can even get great movie tickets here at really affordable prices. And then not to mention the book section, for example. Here we have some books that are meant for adults. And then down here we have some for the little ones. Biscuit Goes to School. That brings back really good memories. And here's another major difference between both of these stores as well. The Costco Business Center actually has a very limited health and beauty section. As you can see, one side is laundry detergent, and this is where like the shampoo starts. You get access to things like toothbrushes. The Glide is here. This is the Listerine pretty much. You have toothpaste from Colgate brand. And as you can see on the other side, there's still laundry detergent, so I'm not lying to you guys. And this is pretty much one section. There's actually one more section in the back, and you can even see there's some stuff thrown in here like baking soda and, like, for example, diapers. But if I continue walking, you can see that on the other side there's very few supplements. They have Band-Aids, a few soaps here and there, but it's pretty much only that. Look at this section right here. It's just diapers pretty much. So it's only pretty much one whole complete aisle, I should say, right, counting the front and the back part of that. So it's a very, very limited section when it comes to the Costco Business Center. Now, on the flip side of that, if you look at the Costco Wholesale, for example, it's much bigger. You get more variety of products. You get different types of shampoos that you won't even find at the Costco Business Center, for example. You get feminine pads in that section. You have tons of variety of products really for like face creams. You have the Neutrogena products, makeup removers. You have face creams, serums, you pretty much name it. Now I'm standing here at the back of the store when it comes to the Costco Business Center, and as you can see, one of the major differences between both of these stores is that the Costco Business Center does not have a clothing section. And that's kind of a bummer, right? But of course, once again, it is supposed to be meant to be more business oriented. So if we look, for example, at the Costco Wholesale, you can pretty much see that there's clothing for everyone. This is the men's section. You can see that they have pants. Over here, we can see that they have some nice little polos here. Over here, they have, I think these are, more shirts for men, polos, all different sizes, really affordable prices, I will mention. I'm a big fan of shopping here at Costco. And as you can see, they have clothes for everyone. We're just heading into the ladies section. They have shorts here from the brand Mandetta. I like that brand. I will say that. They have some nice linen pants. And moving on here, and I mean, we're just walking across, you guys. We're seeing here shorts specifically for young girls. They have small sizes here. And then I think they also have here, you look at those shorts, Puma brand for boys. They even have swimwear. They have dresses for young girls. And they are really cute, I will mention. They even have clothing for like toddlers or young kids from ages 1 to 3. There's pretty much something here for everyone. And another thing I will mention is that here at the local Costco Business Center, you won't find a bakery section. Like, you know how in Costco Wholesale, you're actually going to find cakes, muffins, delicious croissants. Yeah, you're not going to find any of that at the local Costco Business Center. However, take a look at Costco Wholesale because they have a good variety. I mean, starting off with the cakes, they have these tres leches cakes. These are kind of new actually. They have some of these cupcakes right here. And then these are the raspberry cakes. And then they have tons of different like cookies. I love their double chocolate chip cookies. They're so tasty. These are also really good. The raspberry crumbles. Oh, they're all so good. They have the mini chocolate chip cookies here. And as you can see, if you love cookies, muffins, cakes, anything of that sort, you're going to want to buy it at Costco Wholesale. And unfortunately, you won't be able to find an optical center here at the Costco Business Center, nor will you be able to find, for example, optical services. So you can't get an eye exam here or any of that regular things that you can get at the Costco Wholesale. But at the Costco Wholesale, you can get hearing services. You have a hearing aid center. You have optical services like for sunglasses or lenses or glasses if you need those. You can get eye exams. You can talk to an optometrist. I personally like going to my own health insurance optometrist, but I have purchased my glasses through their optical services here at Costco, and I must say that their frames can be pretty affordable, obviously depending on the brand, but I think their prices are amazing. And you know, one of my favorite things about Costco Wholesale is that they give you free samples. And as you can see, I'm walking down the aisles here at the Costco Business Center, and unfortunately there's no samples to be found. And it's just not that I'm not, very lucky today. They give no samples whatsoever, you guys. That's the downside of this. It would be really nice if they really would give out samples. Sometimes, like I said, they do have new products here. But as you can see at my local Costco Wholesale, there's tons of samples everywhere. And I'm about to grab one right here, which has got to be one of my favorite chicken nuggets. These are the Dino Nuggets. And I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. So delicious. And did you know that your local Costco Business Center does not sell anything related to alcohol? That was a big shocker to me because I've been to these stores before, but honestly, I never paid attention for that. I never really paid attention whether or not they were selling things like tequila or beer or wine for that matter. But I did remember they were selling soda, but I'm over here standing at the end of the store and I'm not seeing that section here. But if you go to your local Costco Wholesale, that is where you will find tons of variety when it comes to alcoholic beverages. I mean, you can find wines. They have a whole beer section. They even have some Kirkland alcoholic beverages like the tequila as well. And as you can see, they have different sections pretty much for just about anything that you're looking for, whether it's a margarita mix, whether it's even the syrup that you want to pour into some of your mixed drinks as well. You can find just about anything right here. And that's one of the nice things here about Costco. Now, did you also know that you can even buy alcohol at your local Costco Wholesale without having a membership, you guys? That's right. They won't be asking, I mean, if you head to the front of the door, they're going to ask you for your Costco membership, but you can just tell them that you're just there to buy alcohol and they'll let you right in. Some even Costco's will have you sign up for a guest pass, but it just depends on the store. And here's another major difference between both of these stores. If you're walking down the aisles at the Costco Business Center, all of a sudden you want to buy, for example, I don't know, a basketball or tennis balls for that matter, you won't be able to do that at your local Costco Business Center. They don't have a sporting goods section, I will mention. However, at the Costco Wholesale, they have tons of different options, and they usually are pretty good about updating these sections and bringing new products. I mean, I recently saw they had coolers, perfect for the summer. They had tons of different like water slides. They even had like a dog pool as well. And here right where I'm walking, they even have pretty good sales when it comes to these tennis balls. They have even equipment if, for example, if you like to go golfing. As you can see, this is one of the aisles that's here at the Costco Wholesale. They have tons of different stuff like these golf gloves from the Kirkland brand. Now let's go ahead and turn over and see what they have in the next section. Over here we have bikes. They even sell bikes here. They sell scooters. I'm telling you, there's pretty much something for everyone, especially right now with the summer right around the corner. Or summer's pretty much here, I should say, right? We're looking for activities to do with our families, with our kids. Costco Wholesale is perfect for this. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.